Hello student, let us continue exercise 5.2. Now we discuss question number 18. The sum of 4th and 8th term. Now we discuss question number 19. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary for rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Given A equal to 5,000. This is your first term. And increment is 200, so this is your common difference. And last term is 7,000. An equal to rupees 7,000 according to question. Formula of An is A plus bracket n minus 1 into D equal to 7,000. Value of A is 5,000 plus n minus 1 as it is. Value of D is 200 equal to 7,000. 5,000 plus 200 into n, 200n minus 200 1 ja 200 equal to 7,000. 200n equal to 7,000. Transpose of 5,000 to the right hand side, that is minus 5,000. Transpose of minus 200 to the right hand side, that is plus 200. 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000 plus 200. 2,000 plus 200, 2,200. N is equal to 2,200 upon 200 and their calculation is 11. Hence, his income reaches rupees 7,000 at 11th year. Now we discuss 20 question. Ram Kali saved rupees 5 in first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75, find n. Given A equal to rupees 5, D equal to rupees 1.75 and value of An is 20.75. According to question, formula of An is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 20.75. Value of A is 5 plus n minus 1. Value of D is 1.75 equal to 20.75. Transpose of 5 to the right hand side, change with the sign, that is minus 5. 20.75 minus 5, 15.75. Now divide on both sides by 1.75, that is n minus 1 is equal to 15.75 upon 1.75. Decimal place cancel out. So 25 7 ja 175. 25 6 ja 150. 25 3 ja 75. 7 1 ja 7. 7 9 ja 63. 7 9 ja 63. N minus 1 equal to 9. N is equal to 9 plus 1. N equal to 10. Hence, her weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75 at 10th week. Now we discuss next exercise 5.3. Sum of first and term of an AP. Let AP A, A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, and last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Let S equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus and last term plus A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the sum of given AP. Case number 1. In reverse order, write this sum in also reverse order. S is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, bracket close. Next, A plus n minus 2 into D, bracket close, plus dash 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 A plus D plus A. This is your second equation. On adding equation 1 and 2, we get S plus S, S plus S, A plus A plus A, 2A, n minus 1 into D as it is, bracket close. Now A plus A, 2A, 1D plus n minus 1 into D, that is n minus 1 D. And last term is A plus A, 2A, n minus 1 into D. And these n times, these are n terms. Again repeat, A plus D plus A plus ND minus 2D. Now add 1A 2A plus ND, 1D minus 2D minus 1D. Can we write 2A plus, take D as common, we get n minus 1. We can write 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So we write 2A plus n minus 1 into D. These sum n times. So we multiply by n because all terms are equal. 2s equal to n bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Divide on both sides by 2, we get s is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the required formula of sum of n term. Again we write n by 2, 2a can we write a plus a, n minus 1 into d as it is. This is the formula of an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your last term. A plus an, a plus an, a plus an. And an also can we write L. L means last term. A plus L, n by 2. And also we can find an by the formula Sn minus Sn minus 1. Learn formula this and this and this and this. Now again repeat, sum of n term of AP is n upon 2 bracket a plus L, which is equal to n upon 2 bracket a plus an, and second formula n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, bracket close. Now we discuss 11th question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2. Value of A is A, value of D is here, formula of D, A2 minus A1. Value of A2, 3, minus A1, 8. 3 minus 8, minus 5. Formula of Sn, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of n is 22. 22 upon 2, value of A is 8. Value of A is 8. 22 minus 1. Value of D is minus 5. 2 1 are 2. 2 11 are 22. 11 bracket 2 8 are 16 plus 22 minus 1. 21 multiply minus 5. 21 multiply minus 5 minus 105. 16 minus 105 minus 89. Minus 89 multiply by 11, that is minus 979. Hence, sum of first 22 term of given AP is minus 979. This is your required answer. Now we discuss this step. 16 and minus 105 both have opposite signs, so we find difference, and their difference is 89, and 89 obtained from 105, and sign of 105 is minus, and so sign of 89 is minus, and their calculation is this. Now do question example 11 and do exercise 5.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you.